Hi guys, I'm making biscuit, okay? So make sure you got like a pot, okay? Then use and doesn't matter what kind of noodles you want, okay? We have these kinds, okay? I always want to put the pot. Okay? And then is the tongues. It's easier for me to use those. And what kind of sauce you want, okay? But I always do like white salt. I put some in the biscuit noodles, and then what kind that you like for the sauce, okay? And then I always use a spoon to, if it's still canned, okay? I keep the spoon out until I actually put down the sauce. I wait until the noodles are soft enough to actually do the sauce. Like when it gets soft enough to dump, then I move the noodles off to the side. I put the sauce on the same burner, and then once it gets done, I'll show you guys how I do it. So give me a minute, guys. I need to pause you real quick. Sorry, guys. My husband had to make a phone call. So this is so it's on getting soft the noodles. So I'm just waiting to check it.
Hi.
So that's actually my husband, guys.
The goofball.
Since when?
I don't know.
I don't either. So if I get out the camera, guys, I'm checking my messages because since I'm using my main phone, okay? So I'm still here. I'm just trying to put the noodles. So I'm just slowly getting this done. Because it's getting soft, guys. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes, guys. I kind of like twist the news a little bit. So it will start getting into the wall. So right now all the news are in the wall. This is what I'm talking about. I was trying to get all the news in the two sides of the wall. Then I could put this part on the one. When it gets done. Give me my guys. Sound to bubble. Oh, guys. I'm not live. I'm recording all of this. Okay? So, always make sure that you guys' news, if it starts to feel like it's going to overflow, turn down the heat. I don't do like a timer, guys. I do by film. So, like if I'm cooking news, I do by film, not by timer on news.
I agree. I find throw it out of the wall, and if it sticks, it's done.
Yeah, some people could do that. So give this a couple more minutes and then I'll show you what we'll be doing. So okay, a couple more minutes, guys. Okay. So let me check this, guys. Okay. To me, it's soft, okay? And move that off to the side. Make sure you have a lid on the pot. Okay. Now I'm going to join this. Make sure you be careful with the hot log. I have to move you guys back. Hey guys, I'm gonna let that warm up. So usually when the sauce starts going on top of the lid, then that's when I start pulling the sauce off. So look right now. That's what the news look like. So give me a minute. checked it. One of the things I start to pour right into the pot. Okay. And then I mix all this with the sauce. Okay. Just keep on mixing. Now I'm going to rinse these off. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Otherwise, have a good day. See you guys soon. Bye.